I started using Google Apps Script about 4 years ago, and I found it to be a very powerful tool which allows you to access and integrate your spreadsheet data and some of your database data as well with Google's powerful APIs. It can make your life simpler and more enjoyable. Off to the left here is an image of my Don't Forget app. It was written mostly in Google Apps Script with some special features of the app maker. I use it as a personal assistant, helping me to remember my daily tasks. I have it with me all the time. It creates unlimited lists with unlimited number of items. You can name them whatever you wish. You can view any number of lists at the same time, and when you remove them, they get archived automatically. The page never refreshes. All content appears magically and quickly. As I was building the app, it became clear that I wanted more features built into it because I didn't like having to go out to go to my calendar. And I also like to create events during the day. And with the help of the microphone, I can now just say, go water plants /1 /30, and the display looks like go water plants /1 /30, and I execute, and 1 hour later I get my first email reminding me to water my plants in 30 minutes. I get another one in 15 minutes and another one in 15 minutes. These are the automatic defaults that are programmed to the app. I also like to take my vitals every morning, and what better way to view them than on a graph? I created a label called vitals, and then I have a function that reads the data off of the current notes page, and I use Google Visualization API, which is a client-side API, to build a chart to the right. I also keep my shopping list on my Don't Forget It app, and just before I leave to go to the store, I print the list out on paper via the Wi-Fi so that I don't have to have my iPhone out in the store. Isn't technology sweet?